In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste an image into Claude Code. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to paste your image so Claude Code can analyze it alongside your prompt or code. This is a quick, clear walkthrough, and I'll add a few tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, open the Claude website in your browser. You'll land on a fresh chat screen where you can start a new conversation. Take a quick look at the left sidebar. That's where the different workspaces live. We're interested in the dedicated coding environment, which gives you a more structured place to work with code and related assets, like images. Next, click on the code option in the left sidebar. This switches you into the coding workspace, where you'll see a message box at the bottom and a main panel where results will appear. The code view is designed for technical tasks and can accept images to help with things like reading diagrams, UI mockups, or error screenshots that you want Claude to reason about in context. If you're seeing a prompt to upgrade before you can paste an image, that's expected. Image input in the code workspace may require an upgraded plan. Go ahead and use the on-screen upgrade button. Choose the plan that enables image features and follow the checkout flow. Once your upgrade is active, return to the code workspace and you'll be ready to paste. Now, let's paste the image. Click inside the message box to make sure it's focused. Copy an image to your clipboard from your computer or a screenshot tool so it's ready to paste. Then use your normal paste shortcut on most keyboards, that's Command+V on Mac or Control+V on Windows. After you paste, you should see a small preview of the image appear in the message area. Common formats like PNG and JPG work well. If the image is large, give it a moment to attach fully before you continue. With the image preview showing, type a short message explaining what you want Claude Code to do with it. Clear instructions help a lot. For example, ask it to describe the layout, extract text, or suggest code changes based on the screenshot. When everything looks right, send your message. You'll see the response populate in the main panel. If pasting doesn't seem to work, double-check that the image is truly on your clipboard and that you clicked inside the message box first. A quick retry usually fixes it. That's it. Open Claude, switch to code, upgrade if prompted, and paste your image into the message box. You're ready to put visuals directly into your coding workflow.